Assalamualaikum to Kamaro. My name is Siti Sharina. Today I will present my topic, sea transportation in Malaysia. Before we going through, we have to know what is sea transportation. It is the movement of goods and passengers using ships and vessels. It is one of the most important modes of transport because it carries more than 18% of global trade. In Malaysia, sea transportation plays a major role because the country is located along the Strait of Malacca, which is one of the busiest shipping routes in the world. It helps support international trade, import and export activities, and contribute to Malaysia's economic growth. Sea transportation has several important characteristics. First, it has high cargo capacity, which means ship can carry a large amounts of goods in one trip. Second, it is cost effective, especially for transporting heavy and bulky cargo over long distance. It also requires special infrastructure such as ports, terminals, and storage facilities. Finally, it is connected with road and rail transport to ensure goods can reach their final destination efficiently. This transportation offers many advantages. First, it has lower transportation costs compared to air transport, especially for large shipments. Second, it can carry heavy and bulky cargo such as containers, vehicles, oil, and agricultural products. It also connects countries around the world through international shipping routes. In addition, sea transportation is more environmentally friendly because it produces lower carbon emission per ton of cargo over long distance. Although there has many benefits, it also has some disadvantage. The first one is slower delivery. Shipping usually takes several days or even weeks. It is also affected by bad weather such as storms and heavy rain, which can delay shipping schedules. Another challenge is port congestions, where too many ships arrive at the same time and cause delays. In some regions, piracy and cargo theft are also security concerns. Malaysia has several major ports that support sea transportation. Port Klang is the busiest port and the main gateway for import and export. Port of Tanjung Pelepas or PTP is an important transshipment hub connected to global shipping networks. Other major ports including Penang Port, Kuantan Port, and Bintulu Port, which support regional trade and export. Malaysia also benefits from the Strait of Malacca, one of the busiest shipping routes in the world, connecting Asia with Europe and many other countries. To improve sea transportation, the Malaysian government has introduced several policies, such as the Merchant Shipping Ordinance 1952, the National Transport Policy, and Green Port Initiative. These policies help improve safety, efficiency, and environmental sustainability. The main stakeholders include the government, port authorities, shipping companies, customers, and environmental groups. They are all work together to ensure sea transportation remains safe, efficient, and sustainable. It also faces several important challenges. Port congestion can delay cargo handling and increase operating costs. Marine pollution, such as oil spills and ship waste, can damage marine life and the environment. Rising fuel costs also increase shipping expenses. To reduce this problem, shipping companies can use fuel-efficient ships and optimize shipping routes. Another challenge is piracy. A good solution is to use GPS tracking and advanced security systems on ships to improve safety and reduce the risk of piracy. I chose Port Klang as my case study for this assignment because Port Klang is Malaysia's busiest port and the country's main gateway for international trade. It handles a large volumes of cargo and connects Malaysia with many countries around the world. However, Port Klang also faces several challenges including port congestions, environmental pollution, competition from other regional ports, and the need for more advanced digital technology. To overcome these challenges, the port can improve cargo handling through automation, adopt greener technologies, expand port facilities, and strengthen digital systems to improve efficiency and competitiveness. In conclusion, Sea transportation is very important to Malaysia because it supports international trade, economic growth, and the movement of goods. Although there are challenges such as congestion, pollution, rising fuel costs, and piracy, these issues can be reduced through better technologies, improved infrastructure, and sustainable practice. With continuous improvement, Malaysia's sea transportation industry will remain competitive and continue to support the country's future development. I think that's all from me. Thank you.